All right, you're looking at a 1976 Kawasaki KH100. This bike is not restored. I repeat, this bike is not restored. It is 100% original, purchased from the original owner. It has just over 400 miles on it. And I wanted to share it with the world because it's beautiful. Starts up in one kick. Look at the hubs and the spokes. I swear this is not restored. No one believes that this bike is not restored. Original toolkit, original owner's manual inside that compartment. Original seat, and rare as hen's teeth, the original dealer display plate with the green Cowie. This was displayed in the dealership in the showroom before it got the plate, and that part is listed in the assembly manual, which I also have. Let's give it a start. Lights, high beam, blinkers, she's already won 2 Best in Shows, and I'm hoping to show her some more and preserve a little bit of motorcycle history. Thanks for looking.